Good morning, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Well, I thought I'd give you a little shot of the beach. It's Friday, about 10:30, and we've got Jeep Weekend coming up. It's a yearly event. It's always the weekend after Mother's Day, and it's this weekend. And I've been driving the beach a little bit the last day or so, and I've noticed that it's a different crowd down here this year. At least that's what I'm seeing. One is this morning there's not as many people down here as there has been in past years, especially the last 2 years. Come Friday morning, had some come in Wednesday night, had some come in Thursday, but there's not as many people. And I went up last night and met with Doug Saunders, head of SUD, and we talked about, I've talked to Laura Norman, in charge of this over here for Galveston County Office of Emergency Management. And this morning I watched the PH helicopter land. And so they've got everything in place. But what I'm seeing so far, we are going to have perfect weather. And so if you come down and you're on the beach spending the day down here, make sure you drink plenty of water. That's one thing that I saw last year whenever I was up at the Triage Center was a lot of people that came in, it was just alcohol and dehydration. And so make sure you drink plenty of water. Beer, Cokes, that doesn't cut it. You've got to have water. And the other thing is, make sure you mind your P's and Q's. I love to invite people down here and I love to see people down here, but we also want you to act like you would in front of your parents, or your grandparents. And so, we're going to be out on the beach a lot over the next 36, 48 hours. We've talked to a lot of people down there, stopped us yesterday and today, said hi. And so the biggest thing is come enjoy yourself. Come explore our 27 miles of paradise, but show some respect. I love to see people come down here for the first time, or a lot of them have been coming down here because their parents and their grandparents had a place down here, or they came down here as kids. And so, and we want to keep the beach open. We want to keep it clean. And we want to keep it safe for everyone. A lot of times when I'm driving the beach, and look at that water. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better weekend. Up in the upper 80s, real slight chance of rain. It's just going to be a great weekend. But a lot of times when I'm driving the beach, you'll hear me, I'll say a bunch, or I'll stop. And it's a lot of times it's because I'm watching a child and some adults. They just dart out from the vehicles. They're running from the north side of the beach to the water because their sisters out there, or their dogs out there, or they want to go have fun, and they don't watch. And so please, when you're driving the beach all the time, whether it's this weekend, we've got Memorial Day weekend coming up next weekend, we're going to be busy down here. There's going to be a lot of traffic. And so please, drive respectively, go slow on the beach, and please come enjoy our beach, but please pack out what you pack in. Pick up your trash. There's some Jeep groups that every Sunday after this weekend, after Saturday, they stay down here, and I've seen them tote off gooseneck trailers full of trash. And they're doing that, and I've never seen a Jeep group park somewhere that it wasn't cleaner when they left than when they got there, or as clean, And so I want to thank all the individual Jeep owners, the Jeep groups that come down here. I want to thank you for setting an example, a good example of what the beach should look like when you leave. That saying, leave no footprint behind. Well, we may leave a few tire tracks and footprints, but no trash. Glass isn't, a beach isn't a place for glass bottles. It's nice watching and people and collect the sea glass after it's washed around. But a glass bottle can cut a child, can cut a human foot. And so please use cans, use tumblers, but no glass bottles on the beach. And make sure you have a beach parking sticker. All that money stays on Bolivar Peninsula. It goes for the cleanup, it goes for bathrooms, and it goes for more. So anyway, just wanted to show you what it looked like today. It's a great day down here. It's going to be an awesome weekend. And Team Bolivar invites you down to explore our 27 miles of beachfront. Enjoy our family-owned restaurants like Stingray Restaurant, Jose's Restaurant, La Paleta. All of them are family-owned, and the owners are there daily, especially this time of year. Enjoy our shops and stores. During the week, you can come in the tourism center and see what's going on. But anyway, remember, you can get more information on Bolivar Peninsula on our website at www.bolivarpeninsulatexas.com. We've got some new webcams going up, the Saltwater Gospel Cam, and we just put up the new Stingray Bay Cam. Go check it out. It's beautiful, and I saw a beautiful sunset there last night. On the cam. And also make sure you go to our YouTube channel, like it, share it, just youtube.com/@BolivarLive, and hit the bell so you get notifications, or you can watch Bolivar Live TV on our website, on Roku TV and Amazon Fire TV. So anyway, hope you're coming down this weekend. It's looking great. Hope to see you Memorial Day weekend. There's still time to rent a house. Give one of our rentals a call. You can find it under Where to Stay on our website. But we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope you love the view, and hope to see you soon. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come explore Bolivar Peninsula this weekend, or Memorial Day weekend, or during the summer. We'd love to show you around. God bless, and bye-bye.